Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to explore a brand new feature in Windows 11 25H2 that I didn't cover in my full release review. This update introduces a built-in method for debloating your operating system. No third-party tools required. This feature was originally designed for IT administrators, but regular users can also take advantage of it to remove unnecessary pre-installed apps and clean up their system. If you enjoy videos like this, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the tech-based channel with the notification bell turned on so you don't miss future tutorials and updates. Let's get started. To use this new feature, you'll first need to make sure you have Windows 11 version 25H2 installed on your computer. The main release build number should be 26200.6525 or newer. Once that's confirmed, open the search box and type Petit MSC to launch the group policy editor. From here, expand computer configuration, administrative templates, Windows components, app package deployment. On the right side, you'll see a new policy called Remove Default Microsoft Store Packages from the System. If you open it, you'll notice the description says, if you enable this policy, the selected Microsoft Store apps in the provided list will be uninstalled from the system. Double-click to open it, then set the policy to Enabled. This activates the feature and allows you to select which default Microsoft Store apps should be removed. By default, certain apps are already selected for removal, but you can customize the list further. Keep in mind that apps marked with 2 stars may result in a slightly degraded user experience if removed, but you can still uninstall them if you have suitable alternatives. For example, you can remove all Xbox-related apps if you don't use them, or disable Outlook for Windows, Microsoft Teams, Microsoft Copilot, Clipchamp, and even the Feedback Hub. After making your selections, click Apply and OK to save the settings. One thing to note, this change only affects newly created user accounts. So if you want to apply it to your system, simply create a new administrator account and remove the old one afterward. This is a great addition by Microsoft. It gives users an official, safe, and straightforward way to debloat Windows without needing extra software. If you already have Windows 11 25H2 installed, this feature should be automatically available. And if you haven't updated yet, make sure to check out my previous videos where I show how to install or upgrade to Windows 11 25H2. You can also test this feature by creating a new user account and verifying that the selected Microsoft Store apps were successfully removed. For a full step-by-step written guide, check the article linked below in the video description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to TechBased for more Windows 11 tutorials, optimization tips, and feature breakdowns. Thanks for watching.